guys, I was just trying to figure out what this new shape is. It doesn't quite look like a circle or a triangle. Definitely not a square or a rectangle. You want to go find out what it is with me? Come on, let's go. So today we will identify a hexagon and a rhombus. We will draw and label a hexagon and a rhombus. Why? Because it is important to be able to identify two different dimensional shapes. Two-dimensional shapes. Let's review our vocabulary from yesterday. Attributes. Say attributes. That is a quality, feature, trait, or characteristic of someone or something. Red flowers. Two-dimensional. Say two-dimensional. Two-dimensional is a flat, plane figure or shapes that do not have any thickness and can be measured only in two flat faces. Vertices. Say vertices. Vertices are the corners where two sides meet. Sides. Say sides. Sides are the lines around the shape. Circle. Say circle. A circle has no sides and has no corners. Triangle. Say triangle. A triangle has three sides and three corners. Square. Say square. A square has four equal length sides, four vertices, and is called a special rectangle. Rectangle. Say rectangle. This is a rectangle. A rectangle has four sides, four vertices, and the opposite sides are the same length. The sides opposite each other, top and bottom, left and right. Today's new shape is called a hexagon. Say hexagon. A hexagon is a flat-sided shape with 6 straight lines. It has 6 vertices. Remember, vertices are the corners. So here is a hexagon. Let's see if it really has 6 straight sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It does have 6 sides. What about 6 vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices. Here are some examples of hexagons. What do you think this is from? If you said beehive, you were correct. A beehive has a hexagon shape. Can you see that a little bit better, a little closer? The soccer ball has 2 different shapes on it, but the yellow ones are hexagons, just like my shape. And we have another new shape to learn today. It's called a rhombus. Say rhombus. A rhombus right there, that is a flat shape. It has 4 equal straight sides, and it looks like a diamond. Okay? Here are some examples of some rhombuses. That one could be a rhombus if the lines were just slanted a little bit better. What about these 2 shapes? Look at them. We have the hexagon and the rhombus. How are these 2 shapes alike? Think about it for a minute. These 2 shapes are alike because they have what? What do they have? They both have straight sides. Do they both have vertices? Yes, they do. Do they both have, let's see. Oh, are they both flat? Thumbs up if you think they're both flat. Flat shapes. Yes, they are. How are they different? Look at the two shapes and think about it and then tell me how they're different. How are they different? Are they both the same color? No. So that's one way they're different. They're different colors. What else is different? Do these have the same number of sides? No, this one has 6 sides and this one has 4 sides. So they have different number of sides. Do they have the same number of vertices? No, this has 6 vertices and this has 4 vertices. Okay, so there's lots of things we can find that shapes have in common and how they are different. Let's look at this shape. Remember the name of this shape? This is a square. Correct. How many straight sides does this square have? 4. Very good. How many vertices does this shape have? Also 4. How many straight sides did you say the square had again? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 straight sides. So I'm going to write 4 in the blank next to that question. Our next question says, how many vertices or corners are there? How many vertices does a square have? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. You were right. It does have 4 straight sides and 4 vertices. What do you notice about the sides and the vertices? What do you notice about how many sides and how many vertices there are? Are they the same? Yes, they are. It has 4 sides and 4 vertices. All right, this shape is called a triangle. I wrote the word triangle. Now, if you have your dry erase board or your journal handy, I want you to do this activity with me. So press pause, either get out your journal or your dry erase board. Ready? Go. Okay, is everybody back with their journal or their dry erase board? You ready? All right, so let's look at the triangle. Draw a triangle on your board. It doesn't have to be the same size or the same color. Just draw the shape of a triangle on your board or in your journal. Then I want you to label the shape. What is the name of the shape? It is a triangle, so you're going to write triangle underneath or next to the shape. All right, now let's count how many straight sides. How many straight sides does this shape have? Whoops. Sorry about that, friends. Triangle has 1, 2, 3 straight sides. So you need to write 3. You don't have to write how many straight sides. You can just write 3 next to the triangle. How many vertices do you think a triangle has? Well, if we're counting the pointy corners, there's 1, 2, 3. 3 vertices. And what do you notice about how many straight sides and how many vertices a triangle has? They're all what? 3. There's 3 sides and 3 vertices for triangles. Okay, so for your assignment today, you are going to do the exact same thing that we just did on your dry erase board in your journal or on your Google Slides with the pen. That will be fine too. You are going to draw. You can use the pen tool to draw, label, count the sides, and count the vertices of the shape. The first shape you're going to draw is called a rectangle. So you are going to draw the rectangle. I wrote the word there for you. So all you have to do is draw the shape. If you don't remember what a rectangle looks like, you can go back into our vocabulary and find the one that's a rectangle. Draw a rectangle. Count how many straight sides, how many vertices. Those are the corners. Vertices. Okay. And write the number right there. Same thing with this one. You're going to draw the shape, hexagon. Count how many straight sides and how many vertices. Vertices are corners. Last one, you're going to draw a picture of a rhombus. Remember what a rhombus looked like? This is a rhombus. It kind of looks like a diamond, depending on which way you're laying it. So you're going to draw a rhombus on this page, and you're going to count how many straight lines, and you're going to count how many vertices, and then I want you to save it and turn it into your teacher. Okay? Now let's review what you learned today. You learned that a hexagon is a flat-sided shape with six straight lines and 6 vertices. You also learned that a rhombus is a flat shape with 4 straight sides and 4 vertices, and it looks kind of like a diamond. Now, for your extra practice, you have 2 shape videos to watch today, and your extra math and your iStation math. When your teacher allows you, these are other math activities you can go to. Have a great day, boys and girls. See you tomorrow.